Hi friends, welcome to this part 3 video of speed, time and distance. Previously we have seen basics of speed, time and distance, problems related to moving objects, problems related to trains with respect to stationary objects, problems related to trains with respect to moving objects, and today we will see some problems related to boats and streams and solve some of the previous year questions. So this is a simple illustration of upstream and downstream. Consider this boat is sailing towards this island. If the boat is sailing in the flow of the water, then it is called downstream. If the boat is going in the opposite direction to the stream, then that is called as upstream. Here the water is stationary and the speed of the water is 0. So we call this as still water. So here are some formulas which we have to use while solving problems related to boats and streams, right? So upstream is equal to x minus y, downstream is equal to x plus y. Speed of the boat in still water is equal to 1 by 2 divided by downstream speed plus upstream speed. To find the speed of the stream, the formula is 1 by 2 into downstream speed minus upstream speed. To find the average speed of the boat, the formula is upstream speed into downstream speed divided by boat's speed in still water. We will use these formulas in the following examples. Right? Let us see some of the examples today. So example 1. A man rows a boat at 12 km per hour along the stream and 8 km per hour against the stream. Find the speed of the boat in still water. So what do you understand from this question? A man rows a boat at 12 km per hour along the stream, which means downstream, and 8 km per hour against the stream, which means upstream. Find the speed of the boat in still water. So downstream speed is equal to 12 km per hour. Upstream speed is equal to 8 km per hour. So we have to find speed of the boat in still water. In still water. So what is the formula? Speed of the boat in still water is equal to 1 by 2 into downstream speed plus upstream speed is equal to 1 by 2 downstream speed plus upstream speed. So apply the value 1 by 2 into downstream speed 12 plus 8 is equal to 1 by 2 into 20. So 1 2 is 2, 10 2s are 20 is equal to 10 kilometer per hour. So option B is the right answer. Yeah, option B is the right answer. Example 2. A sailor can row 6 km per hour in still water. It takes him twice as long as to row up as to row down the river. Find the speed of the stream. So we have to find speed of the stream. So let us take speed of the sailor in upstream is equal to x. So from the question we can understand that downstream speed is equal to two x. Because it is twice of upstream speed. Right? So man's speed in, that is sailor's speed in still water is equal to, what is the formula? Still water is equal to 1 by 2 into downstream speed plus upstream speed. So 1 by 2 into downstream speed plus upstream speed. Apply the value 1 by 2 into x plus 2x, right? X plus 2x, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 3x. So 3x by 2 is equal to 6, right? A sailor can row 6 km per hour in still water. So take this 2 to here. 3x is equal to 6 2s are 12. So x is equal to 12 by 3, which is x is equal to 4 kilometer per hour. So this is the speed of the sailor in upstream. Okay. Now we have to find downstream speed. That is 2x is equal to 2 into 4. That is 8 kilometer per hour. Right? Now we have to find speed of the stream. Speed of the stream is equal to, what is the formula? 1 by 2 into, what is the formula? Speed of the stream is equal to 1 by 2 into downstream speed minus upstream speed. Downstream speed minus upstream speed. So apply the value 1 by 2 into downstream speed is equal to 8 kilometer 8 minus upstream speed 4, that is equal to 1 by 2 into 4. So 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, which is equal to 2 kilometer per hour. So option D is the right answer. Yes, option D is the right answer. Example 3. The boat, which has a speed of 5 km per hour in still water, crosses a river of width of 1 kilometer along the shortest possible path in 15 minutes. The velocity of the river water in kilometer per hour is. So we need to find the velocity of the river water. That is the speed of the river water. So first we need to know the boat which can travel at the speed of 5 km per hour in still water. It is crossing a river of width 1 kilometer. So the river water will be flowing like this. Boat has to cross like this. So the water will go against the boat. So we know that is upstream. So what is the formula? Upstream is equal to x minus y, where x is speed of the boat and y is equal to speed of the stream, right? So formula is x minus y, but we have only one value here, so we need to find speed of the boat first. Speed of the boat dts, distance by time. So distance by time is equal to 1 by 15 minutes. Here we have 15 minutes, but the answers are in kilometer per hour, right? Kilometer per hour, kilometer per hour. So we have to divide it by 60. 15 minutes divided by 60. So it will go here, which is equal to 60 by 15. We know that 15 fours are 60, right? So 4 is equal to 4 kilometer per hour. So let us find the velocity of the river water. Velocity of the river water is equal to x minus y. So apply the value 5 and 4. Is equal to 1 kilometer per hour. So option A is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. Yes, option A is the right answer. So with this, we are completing problems related to boats and streams. Next, we will see some of the previous year questions, right? Question number 1. A train 200-meter long is moving at a rate of 40 km per hour. In how many seconds will it cross a man standing near the railway line? Here they have given kilometer per hour. The question they have given 200 meters and they are asking in how many seconds. So first we have to convert 40 km per hour to meter per seconds. So length of the train is equal to 200 meter. Speed of the train is equal to 40 km per hour. So we have to convert this to meter per second. So to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, we know that we have to divide speed by 5 by 18. Sorry, this is 40. So 9 twos are 18, 20 twos are 40, which is equal to 100 by 9 meter per second. So to find the speed of the train, speed is equal to ds, distance by time, right? So which is equal to length of train divided by time taken to cross stationary object. Length of the train is equal to 200 meter divided by time taken by 100 by 9. So moving 9 to here, it will become multiply. So 200 into 9 is equal to 1800 divided by 100, 0, 0, which is equal to 18 seconds. So option D is the right answer. So to cross the man standing near the railway line, the 200-meter long train will take 18 seconds. Okay. Yes, option D is the right answer. Question 2. A freight train left Delhi for Mumbai at an average speed of 40 km per hour. 2 hours later, an express train left Delhi for Mumbai following the freight train on a parallel track at an average speed of 60 km per hour. How far from Delhi would the express train meet the freight train? Consider this as a starting point, that is Delhi. So from here, a freight train is moving towards Mumbai at the speed of 40 km per hour. So after 2 hours, consider it has reached here. After 2 hours, an express train is also leaving Delhi towards Mumbai following the freight train in a parallel track. So at an average speed of 60 km per hour. 60 km per hour. So how far from Delhi would the express train meet the freight train? Speed of the freight train is equal to 40 km per hour. Speed of the express train is equal to 60 kilometer per hour. Both the trains are traveling in the same direction, right? So relative speed is equal to 60 minus 40 is equal to 20 kilometer per hour. Distance traveled by freight train in 2 hours, because the express train is leaving 2 hours later than the free train. Okay, so we are taking 2 hours is equal to speed of the free train into 2. We know d is equal to t into s, right? So what is the speed of the free train? 40 into 2 is equal to 80 kilometer per hour. Time taken by express train to catch freight train is equal to what, what is the formula for time taken? T is equal to d by s. Distance by, so we have relative speed is equal to 80 divided by 20 is equal to 4 hours. So distance from Delhi speed of the express train into 4. Why? Because here already 2 hours delay, so the free train will be 2 hours forward. So after 2 hours it is leaving towards Mumbai. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Okay, so speed of the express train into 4. What is the speed of the express train? 60. 60 into 4 is equal to 240 kilometer. After 240 kilometer, that is 240 kilometer from Delhi, both the express train and free train will meet. So option C is the right answer. Yes, option C is the right answer. Question number 3. A and B walk around a circular park. They start at 8 a.m. from the same point in the opposite direction. A and B walk at the speed of 2 rounds per hour and 3 rounds per hour respectively. So how many times shall they cross each other after 8 a.m. and before 9:30 a.m.? They both are walking around a circular park. They are starting from the same point, but they are moving in the opposite direction. So A and B are walking in the opposite direction, but they have started from the same point. So A can walk at the speed of 2 rounds per hour. So 2 rounds per hour. B can walk 3 rounds per hour. 3 rounds per hour. Okay. So now we have to find how many times they will cross each other after 8 a.m. and before 9:30 a.m. So let us find relative speed. They are moving in opposite direction, right? 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 rounds. 5 rounds per hour. So we can assume in 1 hour, that is from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m., 8 a.m. to 9 a.m., they have crossed each other 5 times, right? And if you divide 30 minutes with 5 times, which will come around 2.5. So in the next 30 minutes, that is 9 a.m. to 9:30 a.m., they have crossed 2.5 times. Zero point 0.5, which is incomplete, right? So they must have seen 5 plus 2, which is equal to 7 times. See, let me explain this situation. So they have crossed each other 5 times in 1 hour. And in another 30 minutes, they have crossed another 2 times. So after 1 hour 30 minutes, consider A is here. A is here. B should be here. Because we have 0.5 minutes, which is incomplete. So they must have crossed each other 7 times. We cannot take 7.5 and choose 8. No, this is wrong. Because 0.5, which is incomplete, right? So we have taken 7 as the right answer, right? Yes, option A is the right answer. Question number 4. A person X from a place A and another person Y from place B set out at the same time to walk towards each other. The places are separated by a distance of 15 km. X walks with a uniform speed of 1.5 km per hour and Y walks with a uniform speed of 1 km per hour in the first hour, with a uniform speed of 1.25 km per hour in the second hour, and with a uniform speed of 1.5 km per hour in the third hour, and so on. So which of the following is or are correct? So we have to check whether these two statements are correct, right? So consider place A is here and place B is here. The places are separated by a distance of 15 km. So person x is here and person y is here, right? So they are walking towards each other. So distance between A and B is equal to 15 kilometer. Speed of x is equal to 1.5 kilometer per hour. So we will check whether the statement is true. Distance covered by x in 5 hours is equal to 1.5 into 5, 7.5, right? Yes, 7.5 kilometer. Now let us check distance covered by y in 5 hours. In this case, y is increasing his speed, like in first hour he is walking 1 kilometer per hour. In second hour he is walking 1.25 kilometer per hour, right? In the third hour he is walking with a speed of 1.5 kilometer per hour. So he is increasing 0.25 kilometer per hour speed for every hour, right? So let us assume that he is walking 1 plus 1.25 plus 1.5 plus, let us add 0.25, 1.75 plus 2, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So add all these, which will, so this is equal to 7.5 kilometer, right? Therefore, so what is the midpoint of 15? 7.5 and 7.5. So option A is correct. They meet midway between A and B. Yeah, option B is also correct. So therefore, both the statements are correct. So both 1 and 2. Let us check the answer. Yes, option C, both 1 and 2, they are correct. So with this, we are coming to an end of our lesson 4, that is speed, time and distance. On this Saturday, that is November 4, 2023, there will be no class. Instead of that, we will have our CSAT test number 1. We have completed 4 lessons, right? Reading comprehension, direction and distance, blood relations, speed, time and distance. So 40 questions will be asked. So 10 questions from each lesson. So each question will have 2.5 marks each. Totally, the test will be for 100 marks. I will share the test details in our Telegram channel at Labasna Dreams Official. We will analyze how we have understood these chapters, right? So as I said in the earlier videos, we need continuous practice for clearing CSAT. So take this test as a practice session. Just go through the previous videos and practice worksheets. Since this is our first test, I will ask questions similar to the problems we have seen in our previous videos and from our practice worksheets. So practice well and attend the test. All the best. See you in the next video.